Jerry here at Stuarts House of Vacuums, 3127 Central, to show you our lightweight vacuum, the Riccar R10E. This is the #1 lightweight. It's rated a 40% better cleaner than the next leading lightweight. 3 years parts and labor on it. We do free belt changes for the life of the vacuum. These little guys will pull you around the house and they weigh 8 pounds. The bag is very simple to dock. Just push it like that, pulls right out. Huge capacity. You can put more dirt in this bag than the vacuum weighs. And you can also use a HEPA bag in it if you decide you want a little better filtration. So these can be seen at 3127 Central, Stuarts House of Vacuums. This little vacuum is on sale for less than $200 right now. And check out our reviews on Google and Facebook. We take care of all of our products. You don't have to worry about this going to the landfill. We'll have parts for it. There's a lot of vacuums out there that are in the box store that you can't get filters for or parts, and you're not ever going to run into that here. We're very proud of our service. So come see me at Stuarts House of Vacuums, 3127 Central, and we'll get you into the right vacuum.